Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Slow English Conversations. I'm Alex.
Hi, Alex. Hi, everyone. It's great to be here.
Hi, Sarah. How are you today?
I'm very happy. I'm excited for our topic today.
Oh, yes, it's a very important topic.
Yes, but before we start, everyone please remember to subscribe to our channel.
And click the like button. Please share this podcast with your friends. It really helps us a lot.
So, Alex, are you ready for today's topic?
I'm ready. What is our topic today?
Today, we'll talk about talking to a doctor.
Ah, that's very useful. Many people feel a little nervous when visiting a doctor.
Yes, even adults sometimes feel anxious.
Exactly. But a calm conversation can make it easier. So, Sarah, have you ever visited a doctor in another country?
Yes, I have. I went to a clinic last year while traveling.
Oh, really? Where did you go?
I visited a small clinic in France. It was very different from my home country.
Interesting. What was different?
Well, the forms were all in French. I couldn't read everything.
Oh, I can imagine that. That must have been a little stressful.
Yes, but the doctor was very kind. She explained everything slowly.
That's great. A friendly doctor makes a huge difference.
That reminds me of something funny at my first doctor visit.
Oh, really? What happened?
Well, I misread the form and wrote my age incorrectly. The nurse laughed and I was a little embarrassed.
That's so funny. I think everyone has a little mistake like that sometimes.
Exactly. It's okay. Everyone makes mistakes.
Alex, when you talk to a doctor, do you usually prepare questions beforehand?
Yes, I write down my main concerns. It helps me remember what to ask.
That's smart. I usually forget something if I don't write it down.
And sometimes it's helpful to write down your symptoms and when they started.
Yes, like a timeline. That helps the doctor understand quickly.
Exactly. And it also makes you feel more confident during the visit.
By the way, Alex, let's imagine we are introducing ourselves to a new doctor. How would you start?
I would say, "Hello, my name is Alex. I'm 28 years old and I live in Addis Ababa. I work as a teacher and I really enjoy playing soccer and reading."
Nice. I would say, hello, I'm Sarah. I'm 25 years old and I live in a small town. I'm a student and I love drawing and spending time with my cat.
Perfect. Then you can tell the doctor about your main concern.
Yes, like, I have had a headache for 2 days, or I've been feeling tired a lot lately.
Or even something simple like, "I have a stomachache sometimes after meals," or "I feel a little dizzy in the mornings."
Exactly. You can also mention small habits, like your sleep schedule, diet, or exercise. It helps the doctor understand your situation better.
And sometimes sharing a little personal detail like pets or hobbies can make the conversation feel more natural and relaxed.
Yes, it's not just about the symptoms. It's about giving a complete picture of yourself in a calm, friendly way.
I remember one time I told the doctor I had a small rash on my arm.
Oh, really? What happened then?
Well, he asked me to describe it carefully, and I accidentally said big instead of small.
That could be confusing.
Yes, and then he asked a few more questions, like if it itched or was red. I realized I was also forgetting some details, like when it started and what I ate that day.
Oh, that happens to everyone. Sometimes it's hard to remember everything in the moment.
Exactly. But we laughed together, and he understood what I meant. And then he gave me some advice and a small cream that worked really well.
See, a little humor and honesty can make the visit less stressful. It also helps you feel more relaxed.
Yes, I always remember that visit. It taught me that mistakes are okay, and sharing small stories or details can make the conversation easier.
Absolutely. And it's a good reminder that a doctor is there to help, not to judge.
Yes, I feel that too sometimes, especially when it's a new doctor or a checkup I haven't done before.
It's normal, but it's important to stay calm, honest, and try to explain your symptoms clearly.
Absolutely. And asking questions is always okay. Doctors expect it and want you to understand what's happening.
Even if it's a small question, like, how long will this visit take? Or do I need to fast before the test?
Or, can I take my usual medicine at this time? Or, is it normal to feel this symptom after the treatment?
Yes, and sometimes just sharing how you feel emotionally, like nervous or tired, can help the doctor give better advice.
Exactly. Being open about your feelings, even small worries, makes the conversation easier and more productive.
And it also helps you feel more confident. You know you're doing your best to explain yourself.
Yes, a calm, honest conversation makes everything less stressful for both the patient and the doctor.
I once saw a patient bring a stuffed animal to the doctor.
Really? That's so cute.
Yes, it was a child, but it made me think even small things can help people feel safe or calm during a visit.
True. Even adults sometimes have little things that make them feel more comfortable, like a favorite pen, a notebook, or even a photo on their phone.
Exactly. I remember one adult patient held a small charm in their hand the whole time. It helped them stay relaxed while the doctor was examining them.
That's a good reminder. Visiting a doctor can be stressful, so anything that helps you feel secure is actually very helpful.
Yes, and it shows that being honest about your feelings, nervousness, or even small habits can make the visit smoother.
Absolutely. Humor, comfort objects, or small stories can all make the conversation easier and even a little enjoyable.
It's nice to see that medicine isn't just about symptoms. It's also about feeling safe and cared for.
Exactly. That little comfort can make a big difference in how you experience the visit. Sarah, what's one tip you would give someone visiting a doctor for the first time?
I'd say write down your questions beforehand, bring a notebook or phone to take notes, and try not to worry too much.
That's great advice. I'd also add, try to describe your symptoms clearly, including small details.
Yes, like when the symptoms started, how often it happens, how it feels, and if anything makes it better or worse.
And don't forget to mention habits that might matter, like your sleep schedule, diet, exercise, or any medications you take.
Exactly. Even small details can help the doctor understand your situation better.
Also, it's okay to ask questions if you don't understand something, like, what does this medicine do? Or are there side effects I should know about?
Yes, and you can even share how you feel emotionally, like if you're nervous or worried. That helps the doctor give advice that fits you.
Finally, be honest but calm. Even small mistakes or forgetfulness are fine. Being clear, organized, and friendly makes the whole visit easier.
Yes, a calm, friendly approach always helps. And remember, the doctor is there to help, not judge.
For our listeners, can you write about your last visit to a doctor in the comments?
You can write 1 or 2 sentences. For example, I went to the doctor last month. I had a headache.
We'd love to read your stories and learn about your experiences.
Thank you all for listening today. We hope you feel more confident talking to a doctor.
Yes, remember, it's okay to ask questions and share your concerns.
Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends.
And don't forget to leave a comment about your doctor visit.
Thanks again, and see you next time.
Bye, everyone. Stay safe and keep practicing.